Alright, let's talk about the CCNA 200 301. This is our first official course from San Elemento. And on this course, which is the CCNA, we're going to talk about some basics about networking, what is networking and why do we need it actually. And there are some basics from the Network Plus course that you should know to learn about the CCNA. Some concepts we are going to cover from the Network Plus, but in more details because it's for the CCNA. And from this Cisco certified official website, which is the web page you can see now, there is a certification requirement for all Cisco certifications, which is the CCNA, and we are going to learn it. But since I guess that was 2017 that Cisco changed their mind and they said, hold on a minute, we're going to stop all CCNA courses and there is only CCNP courses right now and the CCIE. So we got now the CCNP Enterprise, the CCNP Service Provider, the Data Center, Security and Collaboration. And on this specific course, we're going to focus on the CCNA. So with the hope of future, we can actually cover next courses as well. And well, on the CCNA course, we're going to cover some basics about TCP/IP, IP version 4, IP version 6. We're going to talk about IP version 6 on a very basis level, and it's not on full detail. While in CCNP level, we're going to cover it on full details. So, and besides, we're going to talk about our protocol layer 2, the OSI layer, the differences between the TCP and the UDP, what is Cisco IOS, and how does the Cisco router switch boots up, and talk about some private IP addresses, NAT, what is NAT, why do we need NAT actually, and some switching mechanisms like STP and RSTP. Then we got the routing, which is mostly of static and default routing in CCNA, but in CCNP we're going to cover dynamic routing as well in full detail. And the season 4 we're going to focus on IP services, DHCP servers, DNS servers, SMTP, and what those actually used for the network, what is FTP protocol, on security, which is for CCNA security, but on this course we're just going to cover what is security and that's it. Not really going to make it through the details. And the automation, which is again going to cover some basics about the automation and why do we need automation on our network. So that was everything about the CCNA course, and you should know something that on CCNA, whatever you learn is just the entry level for your networking job. And if you want to find a job for this thing, you would more think of a help desk engineer, because the CCNA is not even an entry level today. I mean, the year 2023, it's just a requirement for entry levels like CCNP. So when you learn about the CCNA, you could be a junior admin, but don't be really sure about it. You have to learn about the CCNP. That's very more important. And hope we can start it well. Let's begin.